G'day guys, going out for a ride on the road. We're rocking the different helmet. This is the one that I got last season. It's the anti-magpie helmet, made here in Australia. As we are coming up to magpie season, so I didn't get to use it last season because it didn't arrive till after magpie season was finished. So I'm glad to have it this year. We'll see. I mean, it's pretty windy and usually they stay clear when it's windy, but you never know. It's good to have it just in case. A bit on the cloudy side, so we'll see how far we go, as we don't want to get wet, so we shall see. Alright guys, we're going to try to do a sprint, even though it's mega windy today. We'll see how we go. Here we go. Whoa, that was tough. As we were going into a headwind. Whew. Looks like we've got some nasty rain clouds up ahead, so might change the plans and might do some laps around the outer road around Varsity Lakes, because that way if it starts raining we can do a quick dash home, because it's not looking good. It's looking pretty ominous. It is predicted to rain this evening, but depends on the winds, it might come quicker. We shall see. Might be a shorter ride today than expected. Well, looks like we're going to have a real short ride today. as the wind is horrible and those rain clouds are just getting closer and closer. So looks like we're going to make a dash home. Luckily, it's mainly a tailwind all the way home, hopefully. So it's not too bad. So it shouldn't be fighting against the wind all the way home. It's the other way around. So definitely a short ride today. But what can you do? Yeah, it's a side wind now. So with the 45 deep rims, I am pushing. Anyway, what can you do? Hey guys, coming up to the end of the ride. As the weather has turned a bit nasty, so by the time we get home we would have done 32k. It's not a lot, but hey, it's better than nothing. So anyway, I'll say bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, as I really appreciate it. And until next time, either on the road or on Swift, I'll see you then. Bye for now. Just in time.